right, guys, today's workout, 5-minute planks. That is it. All we're doing is a plank series. You don't need any props at all. You can do this at the end, the beginning of any of my other workouts. Planks are the best. I love them. So let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to start in our regular plank on our hands. Hands go underneath the shoulders. Step back into your plank. Hold that plank. Hold the belly in. Squeeze the glutes. Energy through the heels. And then take a down dog. Pike the hips up. Down dog. Shift right back into your plank. Hold your plank and breathe. Nice deep breath. Neck is long. Pike those hips up. Take a down dog. Now we're going to shift our weight forward on our toes and then press back on the heels. Shift forward on the toes. Lean forward just a bit. Press back down on the heels. Lean forward on the toes. Press back. 3 more. 3. Pull the belly up towards the spine. 2. Last 1. Hold it right there. Shift into your plank. Hold your plank. Now you take that right foot. You stack it on the left. So your toes are on top of your left ankle. Start to shift your weight forward and back. Forward and back. Up on the toes. Back to the heel. Breathe. 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. Stay with me. Last one. Hold it right there. Breathe. Switch sides. Left foot goes on top of the right. You shift forward and back. Here we go. Inhale, exhale. Really spread the fingertips. You have 8. 7. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Hold that plank. Breathe. Step the left foot back to the ground. Pike the hips up. Take a down dog. Pedal the feet out right and left. Let the head go. Bring it right back into your plank. From here, send the left foot under and across. Open up. Take a side plank. Lift the right arm up to the ceiling. Bring it back to center. Switch. Right leg goes under and across the left. Open up. Side plank. Left arm up. Bring it back to center. We have 4 more like that. 4. 3. Find your balance. 2 more. Last one. Coming back through center. Bring it right down to your forearms. Hold your forearm plank. Deep breath here. Open the feet up a little bit wider. Start to tap your right fingertips out and forward. Switch. Left. Right. Left. Right. Keep the hips nice and stable. Left. Right. Beautiful. Deep breath. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a child's pose. Oh my goodness. Good. From here, we're going right into our side plank. Left forearm goes down, elbow under your shoulder. And then the hips are going to be stacked. Lots of modifications here. You can have one knee down. You can stay up here. You can come all the way into that full side plank. Top foot can come forward, okay? So hold it right there, right arm reaching up towards the ceiling, and then sweep it up and over your head. Bring it right back up to the ceiling. Inhale, exhale out. 2 more. 1 more here. Good, now we're gonna hold it up and over our head. As we lift the arm up, bring the leg, top leg with you. You have 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold it. Arm goes up to the ceiling. Little hip dips. You got this. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly lower. Come to the other side. I know we're moving fast. Right forearm down. Find your plank, whatever plank position feels best. Side plank, top arm goes up. Reach up and over the head. Bring it right back up to the ceiling. Breathe, really pulling the side belly, the obliques, feeling those. Lifting up through the side body. 2 more. Last one. You're going to hold that arm up and over. Now as you lift, bring the leg with you. Up and over. Tap the foot down and up. You got 4 more. 3 more. 2. Last one. Hold the arm up to the ceiling. Little hip dips right here. Down and up for 4. 3, 2, 1. Release. Beautiful job, guys. That is it for today. That was so fast. Planks, deep breath. Take a stretch up and over. Let one arm fall. Lift up and over. Then sweep that arm around to the front. Open up to the other side. Again, sweep it to the front. And the last time. Good, coming back through center. Let's just roll the shoulders. In planks, you do use the shoulders a ton. And reverse. So you are feeling those. Whole body's engaged. Good, we're gonna come to our hands and knees for a moment. Let's just take a cat-cow to massage the spine. Let the belly fall, lift the head, inhale. Articulate the spine is a better word here for that. Good. Scoop the belly in and round. Although it would be nice if someone was there to give us a massage after our workouts, right? Good. Exhale, scoop and round. Bring it back to neutral. Take a deep breath. And release. Awesome, awesome work, guys. Remember, you can add this workout to any of my other workouts. It is so fast, so efficient. You'll feel so energized just from doing 5 minutes of planks. All right, have an awesome week. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and I will see you guys next time.